New Orleans defense attorney now disqualified from running for criminal court judge over his tax records.
A judge says there's insufficient evidence. Fuller filed a state tax return in 2020, and candidates must be up to date with their taxes for the last 5 years. Fuller's attorney says that he plans to appeal. Fuller and longtime Orleans Parish prosecutor Andre Godin Jr. were the only candidates who qualified. This election is May 16th.